Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channels. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to appear offline on WhatsApp. So the first thing that you'll need to do is to open your WhatsApp application and then tap on these three dots at the top right corner of your screen. And then select settings. Now select privacy. Okay, this one. And then just tap on this last seen and online. Okay. And then here you can see the who can see my last scene. Now all you have to do is to change this into nobody. Okay, so that nobody will see if who can see your last scene. Okay, now navigate to the bottom and then you can see the who can see when I'm online. So all you had to do is to tap on the same as last scene. Okay, if you don't share when you were last seen or online, you won't be able to see when other people were last seen or online. Okay, remember that. Another thing is to go back to the privacy and then scroll down until you see the read receipts, okay? And then you can see this switch on. So all you have to do is to toggle the switch off, okay? Now, if you turn off, you won't send or receive read receipts, or read receipts are always sent for group chats. So when you disable that, you can completely appear offline on WhatsApp. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.